Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. This is my SL DevCode YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to be implementing simple login registration form using JSP, Servlet, JDBC and MySQL. And also using this system, user can register with the system. Finally, that user can log into the system using their login credentials. Now you can see the final output of the video. If you enter wrong username and password, you cannot log into the system. It will display not a registered user. Click on register. After that, you can register with the system. You have to fill those fields and click register button. Now you can see the updated database also. Then enter your correct username and password and click login button. If you are successfully follow my steps, you can log into the welcome page. I am not going to talk more. Let's go to the video. When I am developing this application, I used Eclipse IDE. Now I am going to create dynamic web project. Go to File, New and select Dynamic Web Project. Now you have to give your project name. I will give project name like My Registration. After that, click Next button. Don't forget to check this one. I will tick this Generate Web.xml and click Finish button. Now you can see there is a lib folder. This lib folder is empty. You can put your jar file inside the lib folder. When I develop in this application, I want to MySQL connector. Therefore, I will add MySQL connector. Now you can follow my steps. I will put this download link in my video description. Now I will create 3 JSP pages. Those are login.jsp, register.jsp and welcome.jsp page. Now I will design my login.jsp page. My page title is SL DevCode. Now I will add a background color for my login page. Now I will provide a form and open a table. Form action name is login register. Now I will design my table path. When you are designing your login page, we have to add username and password. So when you are using Eclipse IDE, you can easily set your code aligns using Ctrl, Shift and F. Now system automatically set the code aligns. Now I am going to add submit button and registration link. When I start the video, I showed the demo video. Now you can remind my login page design. Now I am going to add a head tag. My header name is SL DevCode YouTube channel. Now I will do some modification for my login table. So in here I will add background color and set the margin correctly. Now I will run my login page. Okay, working fine. Once again I will do some modification. You can follow my steps. Okay, fine. I will run my login page. Okay, it's fine. Now you can see my login.jsp page. Now I am going to designing my register.jsp page. So in here I can use login.jsp page template. I will copy this part and paste it in my register.jsp page. Now I will change the extra things which I want to develop in registration page. I will do those things without explanation. You can follow my steps. Now I will move to the login.jsp page and run the code. it's working fine. Now you can click the registration link and check whether it's working or not. Now I will coding my backend part. Now I am going to create my provider interface. Right click the project folder, new, and select the interface. Now I will give a package name. It is home.sldevcode.registration. Now I will give interface name. It is my provider and click finish. This is a connection part of JDBC. My database is PHP my admin. My username is root. My password is nothing. So this is the connection URL. JDBC, MySQL, localhost 3306, and your database name. My database name is logindb. Now I am going to create a connection provider Java class. It is implement using my provider interface. Now I will code this part step by steps. You guys can follow my steps. Now my connection provider Java class part is over. Now I have to create login Java class. Right click my registration, go to new and select class. Now I will give a class name. It is login and click finish. This login class I will provide three things: private string, username, private string name, private string password. Now I am going to create getters and setters. Right click your black area and go to source and click generate getters and setters option. Then you can select your all fields. Now you successfully created getters and setters. Now I am going to create login DAO class. Right click your project, new and select interface. Now you can give a name. I will give login DAO and click finish. Now you can follow my steps. Now I have created login DAO interface. Now I am going to create login DAO implementation class. Right click your project, new and select class. Now I will add login DAO class. A class name. It is login DAO IMPA. And click finish. Now you can see login DAO implementation code. Now I am going to coding login implementation part. You guys can follow my steps. Don't skip and follow my all the steps. Oh sorry, I did a mistake. My database name was wrong. I will change it. Login simple DB. Previously I wrote capital DB. Now you can see my database. Now I am going to create a servlet, same action in login register. Now I will create a servlet. Java package is com.sldevcode.registration. Class name is login registration. This mapping URL must be changed to simple L. Okay, now I will remove all the unnecessary coding parts and comments. Now I will move to the login.jsp page and give a method equal post. Same thing you have to do a register.jsp page also. Now I am going to start a login registration servlet coding part. When you are coding this part, you have to get some information from login.jsp and register.jsp page. Don't skip the video and follow my all the steps. Now I have to add the error message. When you enter invalid credential, system will display this message. Now you have to set the message your login.jsp page. Now I will move to the login.jsp page and add this code. You can follow my steps. When you enter correct username and password, system will redirect to the welcome page. Now I will create a welcome.jsp page. Sorry guys, I did a mistake. Your password name must be changed password 1 like this. Now I will change it. Now I am going to send the data to the database. Go to your login register Java class and code this line. Now I will correct some mistakes. You also had better correct those things, otherwise your program get errors. Now I will run the application. Now I will give incorrect credentials and try to log in. Now it will display error message. Not a registered user. Click on register. Now I will register user. Now you have to fill all the fields and click register button. Now you can see registration done message. Now I will move to my database and now you can check your entered user data. Now I will log into the system using correct credentials. Now you can see your welcome page. Now I will show you my whole code. If there are any issues in your code, now you can check and fix those things. Now I have successfully created login registration system using JSP and Servlet. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask. If you like my videos, click in the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.